Welcome to the video. Hand waving. In this tutorial, you will learn the professional way to install a granite kitchen countertop step by step for a perfect and clean finish. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to support the channel by liking the video, thumbs up, and subscribing for more professional tips and projects. We also welcome your feedback, questions, and suggestions in the comments section below. Speech balloon. Feel free to share your opinion or ask anything. We are happy to interact with you and improve future videos based on your comments. In this video, you will learn the correct and professional way to install a granite kitchen countertop step by step, with detailed guidance through every stage to achieve a strong, clean, and long-lasting result. We start with preparing the base and making sure the surface is perfectly level, because even a small mistake at this stage can affect the final look and stability of the granite. Next, you'll see how to take accurate measurements and mark cutting areas, especially for the sink and appliances. Special attention is given to avoiding common mistakes that can lead to cracks or damage. The video also shows the proper method for cutting granite using the right tools while keeping edges smooth and precise for a high-quality finish. Then we move on to the installation process, explaining how to apply the adhesive correctly and evenly to ensure strong fixing. You'll learn how to place the granite slab carefully, adjust it perfectly, and align everything for a straight and balanced result, especially at the edges and corners. The video also reveals professional tips for achieving clean joints and a neat, elegant appearance. In addition, you'll see how to finish the edges, skirting, properly to improve durability and give a premium look to the kitchen. Finally, we cover cleaning and polishing techniques to make the granite shine like new. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to learn the basics, as well as for skilled workers who want to improve their technique and reach a more professional level. If you are looking for an easy, accurate, and effective way to install a granite kitchen countertop, this video has everything you need. Watch until the end to discover the small details that make a big difference, and start applying these steps to achieve a stunning and professional result in your kitchen. Rock it!